Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. If you're someone who knows the importance of a reliable, high-performing blender, whether you're running a restaurant, cafe, or even just love making smoothies at home, you're in the right place today. We're checking out the SYBO HS-210 Commercial Professional Blender, designed to tackle everything from juice to frozen drinks with ease. This machine promises to combine raw power, quiet operation, and effortless cleaning, all key for busy kitchens. Let's find out if it really delivers on those promises. At the core of the SYBO HS-210 is its commercial-grade performance. Built to handle the demands of busy restaurant environments, it boasts an 8-blade 4D system that operates at an impressive 28,000 RPM. That high speed means this blender can crush ice, blend fruits, and process even the toughest ingredients with no issue. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks, this blender has the muscle to handle it all. Plus, with a 48-ounce BPA-free container, you get enough capacity for large batches, making it perfect for commercial kitchens that need efficiency. Now let's talk about the thing that sets this blender apart. Its quiet blending technology. This might be a game changer for anyone who's worked in a busy cafe or restaurant. The SYBO HS-210 has a built-in noise-reducing shield, which cuts down the blending sound significantly. This means you can blend away without creating a disruptive racket in your space. It's a nice touch for improving the atmosphere in a dining area, ensuring patrons aren't distracted by constant loud noises. As for the user experience, the SYBO blender delivers a pretty smooth ride. Setting it up is straightforward, and it's easy to operate with its precision pulse control, which lets you manage the texture of whatever you're blending, from thick sauces to perfectly crushed ice for cocktails. But what really makes it stand out for high-use environments is its built-in safety features. It comes with intelligent chips designed to prevent overheating and overloading. So, even with frequent use in a commercial setting, you can trust that it'll keep running smoothly without any hiccups. One feature that's especially convenient for commercial kitchens is its self-cleaning capability. After a busy shift, all you need to do is add a drop of dish soap, some warm water, and let it clean itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. This not only saves time, but also keeps maintenance simple, ensuring that the blender performs consistently over time. But let's be real, no product is perfect. While the SYBO HS-210 delivers on its performance, some users might find the noise-reducing shield slightly bulky, especially if you're tight on counter space. It's not the most compact unit around, so it might take up a bit of room in your kitchen. Also, while the pulse control gives you plenty of precision, the machine doesn't come with as many preset blending programs as some other commercial blenders, which could be a downside for users who need quick access to specific settings. So, does it offer good value for money? Absolutely. Given its commercial-grade performance, it's a solid investment for small business owners looking for something reliable and long-lasting. Compared to other high-end commercial blenders, the SYBO HS-210 is reasonably priced, while offering features that make it more versatile and user-friendly, especially the noise reduction and ease of cleaning. When compared to similar commercial blenders, like the Vitamix Quiet One or Blendtec Stealth, the SYBO stands out because of its price and the fact that it balances power with a quieter operation. While those other models are great, they tend to come at a much higher price point. The SYBO might not have the same level of versatility with preset programs, but it compensates with its simple, effective features and ease of use. Now, in terms of build quality, the SYBO HS-210 feels sturdy and durable. The motor base is solid, and the 48-ounce container is robust. It's built for longevity, especially with the self-cleaning function and the inclusion of overheat protection. While there's not much long-term data available since it's a newer model, SYBO has a strong reputation for manufacturing reliable products for the food service industry, and this model seems to follow that trend. Customer support from SYBO also gets a thumbs up. They offer dedicated support for businesses and are available 24/7, which is key for any commercial appliance. Knowing that you can reach out if anything goes wrong adds an extra layer of peace of mind. In conclusion, The SYBO HS-210 Commercial Professional Blender is a great option for anyone in the food service industry looking for a high-performing, quiet, and easy-to-maintain blender. It may not be the smallest or the most feature-packed blender on the market, but its power, safety features, and noise reduction make it stand out. Whether you're running a cafe, bar, or even a high-demand juice bar, this blender will serve you well. For the price, it's hard to beat the value this machine offers. If you're in the market for a commercial blender that blends power with convenience, the SYBO HS-210 could be exactly what you need. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more in-depth reviews from Reviewsinsidetv. Got questions or thoughts about the SYBO HS-210? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep blending and stay awesome with Reviewsinsidetv.